Hey everybody, Dude back again, and I got a Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls tin to open up. It's still Konami sealed. Got it for 38 bucks. Oh, let's get this crazy thing open. Oh, there was a hole in it there. Yeah, got Konami seal off. Pretty good promotional cards, promos out of this tin. Anyway, let's get crack it open. You got your promo pack, 2 Judgment of the Lights, and 3 Tachyon. Promo packet first. Okay, we got Tidal himself, some Yu-Gi-Oh thing, BLS, Catasta, Gustav Max, and Bear. Hang on, I'll just fix that glare up. Glare's fixed up, and those were the promos. We'll go Judgment of the Light for crap. Oh yeah, come on. Can't see the whole pack. Really like this pack a bit because well, let's go. Xyz, oh my crap. Yeah, there. Xyz Reception, Bujin Fiddle, Mega Fan and Beast Colt Wing, Vain Betrayer, a rare Artfiend Eris. No hollow bar, still could get Kujaku, a Brill Horror Ghoul, Bujingi Wolf, Make a Fanbase Haralot, and Make a Fanbase Haralot. Second pack of Judgment of the Light. Let's see. Sargoso Lighthouse, Bujingi Warg, Vertical Landing, Bujingi Turtle, Rare Archfiend Palabyrinth. Oh, come on, no hollow. Adulthood Chickalot, Star Sephiroth Sage, Black and White Wave, and Bujin Religio the Sword. Okay, let's move on to my first pack of Tachyon Galaxy. Pretty good cards in this set as well. Let's hope I get it. So let's see. Sonic Warrior, Eagle Shark, Parsec the Interstellar J, Dote Engu, or Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Oh, come on, freaking Troll, King of the Feral Imps, Shark Kraken, Balloon Box of Spyro, Taco Kawana, and this ain't going good. 2 packs of Tachyon. This one. This ain't going well. Brotherhood Five Fist Wolf, Lil Fairy, Lightning Dream Royal Drafts, Band Card, Gakugar Wind, Rare XYZ Revenge, oh, sweet Ultimate Rare, Scramble. Well, that's pretty good. Ultimate Rare. Panther Shark, Radius, the Half Moon Dragon, and Leopard. Did I pull one of those? No, I pulled Wolf in the beginning. Final pack of Tachyon Galaxy. Well, today be the day I pulled Draco Stack. Viking Avatar Grunix, Abigail of the Mizuchi, Sonic Warrior, High Tide on Fire Island, a rare Blaster Dragon Ruler of Infernos. Nope, just a rare Jewel of Valley, Ace Harper and Dragon, Headgeared, and Abyssosia. Okay, quick recap. My 5 hollows were Blaster, XYZ Revenge, Phantasmal Dragon, Palabyrinth, and Iron Harris. My only hollow was Ultimate's Rare Scramble. Pretty good. And the promos are also good, which were Bear, Gustav, Catasta, BLS, and Tidal himself. That's it for this opening. Please like and subscribe. See you